Now I'm going to mix up everything. If we have two numbers here, just a quick reminder: two numbers multiplying each other. So you have minus 2 times, let's say, minus 3. Times the two would just merge together. Okay, so it would be 2 times 3, which is 6. Basically, they merge together, and then you have a minus, so it would be a positive 6. And also, we can have one number plus another number. Remember, plus another number here. So I could have minus 2 plus minus 3. Here, remember, because it's a plus, we've got to draw a number line. So here, up here is times. So when you times, they merge together. Here we've got a plus, so it would be minus 2 here, and then we would, well, at this, when there's a minus in the second bubble, it's really complicated. So let's take the minus out here. So it's actually minus 2, okay, minus a positive 3. Okay, if you don't understand this, then go back a few videos. So it's basically minus 2 minus 3. So in effect, you start at minus 2, and then you take away 3, which is you go back 3 here, which is minus 5. Okay, minus 5. So now I'm going to mix up times, divide, and everything. So the secret is to identify this thing. If it's a times, then merge the two. If it's an add or a take away, then you probably have to draw a diagram like this, and then you slide back and forth, basically. So times, if it's add or take away, you slide back and forth. Okay. If it's times or divide, the two will merge. So, for example, what is this? Let's say a number and another number. Okay, we're going to take away. So now I'm going. So one number take away another number. I can put any number into here. Let's say minus 5. Now I can put any number into here now. Let's say minus 2. So this is written like this: minus 5 minus 2. Now two signs next to each other. It's quite complicated. So we've got to use brackets. So basically it's minus 5 minus 2. What is that? So you should be, the first thing you should identify is this sign here. Now it's a minus, so it's really sliding back and forth. If it's a minus or a plus, it's sliding back and forth. So you probably have to draw the number line like this. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay. We can see it's a minus here, so we've got to slide back and forth. So this one here, we start at minus 5. I'm gonna draw it over here. No, actually that's okay. Minus 5 here. This is our starting position, and we're gonna minus a minus 2. Remember, it's when there's a negative inside this second bubble, it's quite complicated. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna plug it and plug it. So plug it out here. Okay. So that would be, in effect, it would be add 2. So minus 2 is like adding 2. Okay, remember if it's a minus, you would go in this direction. Because it's a minus, you flip it, so it goes in this direction. So basically, minus 5 add 2. So where will we be? Roughly, probably be about minus 3. So the answer would be minus 3. Okay. So yeah, identify this sign here. If it's a times, merge them. If it's an add or a take away, they're probably going to slide back and forth. So you have to decide for yourself. So here, a number. Okay, this time I'm going to divide. This one here would be minus 30, and this would be 6. Okay, what is this? Okay, probably be normally it's written like this: 30 divided by 6. Okay, so you should identify that this is a divide. So divide or times, remember they just merge together. You don't slide back and forth like a take away or an add. Okay, so what is 30 divided by 6? Sorry, minus 30 divided by 6. press pause and have a go. Okay, just get 30 divided by 6, that's normal, which is 5. Now, because there's only one negative, so it will be a negative. Okay, this one here, what is, hang on, let's give you this, minus 2 minus 4. This is quite confusing, two negatives next to each other. So I'm going to put brackets around here. What is this? Okay, so you can imagine this as being a number, take away another number. And this number happens to be minus 4. This one happens to be 2. So what is this? Press pause and have a go. Remember, this is our negative, so we're going to slide back and forth, back or forth. Sorry. So here, negative. Put a 0 in here. We start at minus 2. Okay, minus 2, and then we know it's going to be a sliding answer because it's a negative here. We've got a minus inside this bubble. It's quite complicated, so we take the minus out. So it's basically plus 4. So it's actually minus 2 plus 4. Okay, so you start here plus 4. So you go you would go 4 places to the right. So let's go back to 0 first, because that would be easy. And then how many more steps do I need to take in order to make up a total of 4 steps? I need to take another 2. So it would be a positive 2. So the answer would be a 2. Okay, a positive 2, which is a 2. Alright, how about this one here? Hang on. Okay, 8 divided by minus 4. Okay, two signs next to each other. Quite complicated. Put brackets. Okay, so what is this? Press pause and have a go. Okay, you can imagine this as being a number divided by another number. Okay, this number happens to be 8. This one's minus 4. Okay, so first thing to look at is this divide. Because it's a divide, it's not going to slide back or forth. So we just get 8 divided by 4 as normal, which is 2. And then there's only one negative. So one negative, that would be a negative. So the answer is negative 2. Okay. How about this one here? Let's say negative 8 take away negative 2. So what is this? Press pause and have a go. Alright, so because of the brackets, it's saying that the minus belongs to the 2. So I know the second number will be a negative 2. Okay, so I've got two numbers. I know a negative 2 goes in here. And now this minus here. So it's basically minus 8 minus 2. The most important thing is this sign here. It's a minus, so we know it's going to slide back or forth. It's not going to be a merge like a times or divide. So it's basically, you start at minus 8, 0 here. You start at minus 8, and now we know it's going to be a slide back or forth. There's a negative in here. It's really complicated. So take it out here. So it's basically an add 2. Okay. So so you start at minus 8, and then you add 2. So it's plus 2. So you would be somewhere in here. Where is that somewhere? Well, minus 8. Go to the right 2 steps. It should be minus 6. So it should be, the answer is minus 6. Okay?